Hiya. So, unexpected, well, unplanned trip down to the marina. The cover guys just texted me, sent me a few pictures and said your covers are done. So we are in the car and about to head off to the marina. So yeah, hang tight and we'll have a look at the covers shortly. See you in a bit. Right, so we've just got through to the marina now, and yeah, let's get out of the car and go for a wander. So less looking at the floor, more looking where we're going. And this is where I forget when I'm walking because I'm too busy concentrating on camera and fall into the marina. Yeah. So, welcome to Hull Marina, the tour. Not really. So, are you ready? SJ lives just around this corner, so you're going to see her for the first time, the same as me. There you go. So, literally the world's noisiest pontoon. But there you go, in her lovely new black canopies. Which, quite honestly, compared to the old ones, look amazing. As I said, this is where I fall into the water. There you go. All the lovely new canopies. And not mouldy, they're not ripped, they're not torn. that is pretty good. Let's have a look around. Look at that. Use it. He's even put a new pop dot on that side to hold it. There we go. And that's it from the inside. He's given us some straps. So what we can do is we can unzip this there, unfasten it there and just roll it up, keep it in the straps. And the same with the door. So that can just be rolled up and put in the straps. Still got the separate two side panels, so we can take that entire area out if we want, but keep these back panels in. And then this is our new front panels, which are ever so slightly bigger, more window space than the old ones. And yeah, and we've now got some triangles up here rather than just a one-piece window. So that's it. They're all velcroed together for holding them together. And yeah, that's it. We're all done. All new canopies. So again, this is where I fall in. So yeah, lovely shiny new canopies that are actually using all the press studs now and holding them in, because there's press studs missing here on the old ones. And yeah, we are looking good. I'm not going to get up front, it's quite late and we're only rushing. But yeah, so new canopies. I'm very happy, very excited, finally. It's only taken, I don't know, 10 weeks to get them, maybe. But yeah, it's cool. So I'll leave you with that, guys. Take care, stay safe, and we'll see you all later. Bye bye.